you have to be careful for the format, especially because it has separate marks. And if you write the format, you don't write the body, then no marks there for the format. So be particular for this. You have to write the body of the letter also, whatever you understand about the topic, whether it may be correct or wrong. Then the marks of the format will also be counted. But if you don't write the body, then no marks for the format will be given. Otherwise, it has separate marks. Clear? As it is given in your practice paper also, you can see very clearly. First of all, what you have to write is the sender's address. And be particular, if you are given the sender's address in the topic, the same address is to be written. Don't change it. If it is not given, then you can write any address, but don't mention the name of your city. You can write ABC dash city. Okay, or simply लिख दो dash city. No problem. Then second, date is to be written. All the date is to be written in the expanded form. Expanded form, you understand? That means if you write the date like this, 23/2/21, this is wrong. If you write date like this, it is also wrong. How we have to write? We can write it 23rd. And one more point is given in your tips that you must write the name of the month complete, not in the abbreviation. Then you can put here cross also. That is no problem. Or it can be month in the beginning. Then clear? Then for the subject, for the formal letters, both letters you have in your syllabus, the subject must be written for the editorial letters and for the job applications also. And it should be very brief. Be particular, it should not be in 2 lines कि आपका subject भी 2 lines में आ रहा है. No. It should be very clear and brief, precise subject आपको लिखना है. Editorial letters है तो it must be some problem. We will be writing about that. And if it is a job application, it's very clearly mentioned in the topic only. Application for the post of whatever the post is mentioned. इसके अलावा और कुछ extra लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You write so many words in the subject in the form of detailed topic. पूरा topics में से उठा के पूरी line उठा देते हो. No need to write. It should be very brief, precise, in 3 or 4 words only. For the job application, nothing else is to be written. Simple application for the post of whatever the post is mentioned in the topic, that should be written. And for the editorial, it is only complaint for which you have to write a letter. So it should be very brief. Clear? Don't miss it. Then the receiver's address. Again, the receiver's address is to be written if it is given in the topic. The same address should be there. And if it is not mentioned, you can write any address, but don't mention the city. Dash city. Clear? After that, salutation according to the topic. Respected sir or ma'am, or dear sir or ma'am, whatever you want to write according to the topic, you can add. Clear? Then body, again according to the topic, whatever you are given. At the end, complimentary close. What you write here? In the formal letters, you write either yours faithfully, or you can write sincerely. Please be particular for the spellings. Still I can see the students are writing wrong spellings. Sincere में के भी spelling गलत हो रहे हैं. Yours में आप s miss कर रहे हो. It should not be missed. Be particular, and there is no comma here, which you are still writing. There is no comma. And the third word which you can use is truly. There is no e in between. आप यहाँ क्या करते हो? यहाँ e डालते हो, which is wrong. It should be truly. Clear? These are the common mistakes which you people are committing. Still, after writing letters so many years. Is it clear now? Be particular for all these forms because these are the free marks which you are getting. अगर आप यहाँ भी मिस्टेक्स करते हो तो आपके मार्क्स कटते हैं डायरेक्ट, बिकॉज सेपरेट मार्क्स आर गिवन फॉर द फॉर्मेट. इज इट क्लियर नाउ?